Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about one of the questions that I got on my Creative Fabrica video. So this question is related to the Creative Fabrica. So I'm going to be talking about this particular question that do you actually make money by uploading free products on Creative Fabrica or not? So this was the question. I'm going to be answering this particular question in this video. So let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking the like button guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we upload new videos, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources. The link is in description box below. You can download it. You could simply head over to globocreative.com and check out the freebie section as well. And you can subscribe to our free email newsletter. Right now it's on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to send you each and every week in your email inbox exclusive content regarding making money online. Make money by uploading free products on Creative Fabrica? The answer to this question is yes and no. Allow me to explain it by saying yes and no. Yes and no. So first I'm going to be saying that no, you can't make money by uploading free products on Creative Fabrica. It's quite obvious because you're uploading a product as a freebie. Like that means that you're uploading your product and making it as a $0 product. So when someone is actually purchasing or downloading that particular product, obviously you will not going to make any money from that because it's a free product. As simple as that. Whenever you are placing a freebie or a free product or free kind of stuff for someone to download or to actually purchase that, it's a free product guys. And no one will going to pay for that free product. It's quite obvious as it may sound. And I emphasize a lot about the freebies because it helps you gain more engagement, more views, more followers on your Creative Fabrica shop. Because the more followers you have, it will going to likely increase your chances to be found your products on Creative Fabrica. Because you're uploading a new product on Creative Fabrica, the people who are following your shop will going to get an email stating that this particular designer have uploaded a new product in their shop, go check it out. As simple as that. They're definitely going to get an email from Creative Fabrica, and this is the amazing way that you could get more sales and making more money. So the more followers, more favorites, it will likely going to increase your chances to get more sales and to make more money. Obviously, you need to focus on reviews as well. So if you are uploading your product as a freebie, it will likely going to increase your chances to get a good review for a product. I have the view of the product as a freebie in which I got the reviews. Yes. Because the more people are engaging with your content, it would be more likely for the people to give it a review. Obviously, I think that according to the stat, the people who review your product are kind of like 5 to 10%. Like sales, 100 sales for one particular product, it would likely that you are going to get 5 reviews or 10 reviews or maybe 20 reviews, but not more than that. So the chances of people to give you reviews for a product is less than the actual sales. But if you are getting the more engagement and people are downloading your product more, then obviously they're gonna increase your chances to get the more reviews. And the more reviews you get, the more it is likely for your product to be found on the Creative Fabrica. It will going to be pushed up in the search engine of the Creative Fabrica, and obviously it will going to be found by more people. It's quite obvious all these platforms are made in a way to put those products up in the search engine which are getting more reviews, more sales, more favorites, more followers. It's quite obvious that keep that thing in mind that you need to get more followers, more favorites, more reviews for your product to get the more sales and making more money. It will likely going to increase your chances. I have already explained that. So obviously you won't be making any money from your free product because you're uploading a free product. Definitely who will going to pay for that? Think about that guys. That's quite obvious, that's quite reasonable. But the answer to this particular question is yes. You can make money by uploading a free product. Let me explain that particular part of the question. How are you going to make money? If Creative Fabrica chooses one of your product as a freebie on their platform, they're going to give you $20 for that particular product. It's written on their page. Like whenever you are uploading a product, it's there on the page. Please guys, I want to tell you, whenever you are using a new platform or uploading something, please read all the instructions that are available on that page. Don't just ignore it, because I see that many people don't even read the terms and conditions. Many people don't even read the license criteria, and then they go into the trouble and then they message me or question me and ask me, oh, this happened to me. I would highly recommend you guys, please always read the terms and conditions, the policies, and the things are there on that particular page when you are purchasing something, when you are uploading something, or even when you are selling something, because it will going to help you save a lot of amount of time and energy and also money in the later on down the road. So do this homework. Of course, I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer your question. But it would be more favorable if you read all the things that are available on that particular page. So when you are uploading a product on the Creative Fabrica, it's very well written on that one of the 4 checkboxes that they have on the product upload, in which it's written you are allowing your product as a freebie. So if Creative Fabrica chooses your product as a freebie, you are not placing it as a free product, guys, okay? You're just uploading your product normal as a paid product. But if Creative Fabrica chooses your product to make it as a freebie, then only you're gonna get $20 for that particular free product. I hope it clearly explain you what does that really mean by that. Another thing I want to talk about, guys, it is indirectly related to the sales, because the more products you are uploading and the more you are uploading as a freebies, and naturally people are get attracted to more to the freebies than the paid product. It's quite natural. Ask yourself this particular question: if someone is giving you something for free, would you more likely to go towards that particular thing, or if someone is giving you in that paid version, you're going to get more attracted towards it? Ask yourself the answer for this question. Naturally, we as a human being are more attracted towards the free products, the free incentives, rather than the paid products. So if you are uploading your product as a freebie, people are going to see your product uploaded as a freebie on the Creative Fabrica. They're gonna like your product. If they like it, they're gonna download it, put it as a favorite, maybe follow you, visit your shop, and purchase more from your shop, especially talking about the paid product. So it's indirectly related to the sales, but not directly related to the sales. So if you are choosing your product as a freebie and making it as a freebie, then definitely you're not gonna make any money from the people who are downloading that particular product. But if Creative Fabrica is choosing your product and making it as a freebie on their platform, then only they're gonna give you $20 for that particular product to make it as a freebie. It's depend on the Creative Fabrica itself. It's not depend on you. But if you are doing voluntary by yourself, then you will not get any money from that. And obviously you're gonna get more favorites, more followers. So if those people are coming on your shop, it will going to increase your chances to get the more sales, to get the more downloads for the paid product as well. Definitely going to increase your sales in the overall shop point of view. So this is a particular question answer. Hopefully I have answered it. But please guys, always read the terms and conditions, always read the license agreement. I know that we often ignore reading these particular things because there's a lot of the pages are there. We need to read them all, and it's quite boring. Yes, I get that. Whenever someone is giving me some kind of license criteria or an agreement, it's like a 4-page document or 2-page document. I feel kind of like boring to read that particular thing. But if I read it, then it's much more helpful for me. So please take your time and read all those things, what's written on their page and what's there in the terms and conditions, to be on a safer side, because all these websites have their own terms and conditions, have their own policies, have their own agreements and license criteria, to be on a safer side. So whenever something happens, you know that this is the thing that legally they have on the platform, and you can very well support your own issue and not get your account suspended or shut down or something else happen to your shop. Hopefully I have answered this particular question in this video. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any further doubt related to the Creative Fabrica. Guys, I'm here to help you. But please guys, do your homework as well from your side to read what's written on the page. Don't just blindly upload the things without reading the stuff. Often people ignore it because they see that it's quite boring, it's not interesting. Obviously, it's not interesting to read 2 pages of documents of agreement or policy or license criteria. It's not at all interesting, but we have to do it because it's mandatory, it's important, it's necessary to read that to be on a safer side. So please guys, do that thing. And if after doing all those things you still have a doubt, you still have a comment or question, do let me know. I'm gonna help you as much as I can based on my own knowledge and experience. But hopefully I have answered this particular comment question in this video. Hopefully you know by now that are you getting paid for uploading product as freebies on Creative Fabrica or not. That's it for today's video guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.